Okay, so we're going to do a magic water spell. So, for this spell, you'll need some water, some food colouring,
and some plastic cups,
and some kitchen roll. So first of all, what we're going to do, Mally, is we're going to line these cups up in a line. So if you help me to put them, well, in a straight line. There we go. We should have 7. How many have you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay, you want them close together, but not completely touching. There we go. Right. So now what we're going to do, we're going to fill the 1st, the 3rd, the 5th, and the 7th cup with water until it's about 3/4 full. So Mally, if you can fill them to about there. Next thing that we need to do is put some different coloured food dye into our water. So I think, what colour should we start with? Red? So if you could put a few drops of red into the first one. What we need to do now that we've got all our water, is we need to take our paper towels and we want to fold them 3 times lengthways. So in half lengthways, then in half again. So in half lengthways, then in half again, lengthways, and then in half one more time. Lengthways. Okay, can you do some, Mally? And so once you've got all your pieces of paper folded up, what you're going to want to do is put them like a bridge from one cup to the next. Okay, so what we can already see happening is that the water is starting to climb up the bridges, and eventually it's going to climb, it's going to climb all the way over the bridge and into the next cup. So we're going to keep an eye on this for the next few hours and see how we get on, see what happens, okay?